Hi, I'm John Grimes, the Chief Executive of the Smart Energy Council.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, and I'm the founder of SunWiz.
For a long time, the Smart Energy Council has sought to identify and reward industry-leading people and companies.
And SunWiz has been identifying who the leading retailers of solar power systems are since 2009.
SunWiz has determined Fritts Solar installed more solar power last year than most other solar companies.
Of course, business size isn't the only measure you should use when choosing a solar retailer. Bigger doesn't necessarily mean better.
Which is why we're happy to report Fritts Solar is also amongst the best-rated solar businesses Australia-wide. To be an award winner, you need at least 50 reviews in the last year, distributed across multiple review sites with an average rating higher than 4.8 stars. So we encourage you to consider buying from Fritts Solar. When it comes to size and customer satisfaction, they're head and shoulders above most others.